My bitch, she clips because she a nurse.
When I'm down, she give me a perk. Police put up my gun in her purse.
I pull up with
I'm in this world and we looking for murder.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be driving a big school bus today. You feel me? So right now I'm headed to SRT Frost's house. He was like he need a ride back from the dealership. I'm like, what happened? You got a new whip? Like, what's the word? So he's like, nah, he about to go drop off Big Django, I think to get service or something like that. So he was like, he needs someone to take him back. So I was like, I bet. So we gonna end up switching cars, going to the dealership, but then like we just gonna take my car on the way back. We gotta drop his off. So I was like, I might as well pull out the can. You feel me? Get some content. So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. And y'all know the deal. I'm either pick up the cam when I'm at the spot or I'm in the other whip. You feel me? Huh? You said what?
Is your driving position already?
Yeah. I see it. Big Django. You feel me? We in the Hellcat. Let me see something real quick. Alright, that boy. Wait, hold on. That boy about to take off on me already. Hold on, gang. You even let me get right. Guess I don't need to get right. Whoa. I need all that copyright, sir. Oh my god, the LED steering wheel and all that. I haven't drove this car in a minute, but you see what's going on. Let me turn on this ISO, bro. Whoa. Let me roll down these windows real quick. You feel me? I should go in track mode. I definitely should. Hold on. Cause right now we're a little too quiet. But boy. See that? SRT? You know what SRT stands for? Street Racing Technology. If y'all didn't know, you feel me? We're in a big SRT. Throw this in trap mode real quick. I'm trying to do this with one hand and record. Hold on, let me put it in trap mode real quick. Alright, we Gucci now. I forgot what the button was. We're in trap mode now. Oh, alright. Hear the downshifts. Oh my god. That's one thing I'll never get tired of. Supercharging. Oh, I thought police would pull up. I forgot he got a radar too, man. I'm about to be like, oh no. Oh no. Oh, that boy radar just scared the shit out of me. I was about to say, oh no, I'm getting pulled over. Oh, I forgot that boy got a radar. That boy, whoop whoop. Tight shit, right? But we back to back in traffic, you feel me? Bro, this man, I forgot how tall this man is compared to me, bro. This man was sitting low. She's back to back in traffic, you feel me? Got the 340, looking clean. And we got the big Hellcat, you know what I mean? About to get right. That boy got wires hanging out, what that is? That boy got a tune on him, sheesh. Whoa. I'll never get used to it. I mean, I'll never get tired of this. See what that boy working with. Car looking clean, huh? Jeez. Damn, my shit loud. You never know how good your car looks until someone else drives it. Or how it sounds. Supercharger make you want to just go crazy, bro. Like, you hear that supercharger, you just like, yeah. See my car a little bit. Look at it, going crazy. Hold on, let me roll these up. That boy trying to get it rolling.
User mark ahead.
Oh, word? Oh, word? That boy looking at his car like, damn, that's mine? That's my whip? Look, that boy love the 5%. And you can't see. Shit's like, boy, oh, boy. Oh. Oh, oh. Oh. Oh, I thought we was getting pulled over. Yo, they on our ass. Oh, nah. Oh, nah. I thought we was getting pulled over for real, man. Yo, that police siren is not loud at all. They finna whack his ass in traffic. Boy, that boy jumped out of, bruh. He came from the back, bruh. One thing about it, them boys gonna be in them undercovers. That boy better tighten up. Thank you, Radar. That boy said blase blase is near, and that boy jumped out. Y'all need to go invest you one. Go get you one. Tighten up. We out though, man. Bro, with the windows up, you hear the supercharger, bro. I just need me a Hellcat. I don't care how overplayed it is, how overrated, all that. I need me a Hellcat. Don't care. Yo, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If I hit this at night or something, bro, I'm finna panic. Cause I'm like, oh, like, when you hear them sirens, you like, oh, snap, what they at, what they at? This junk is going off in front of it. Like, tighten up. Lock in before I tweak out. I low-key want to get a roller with my car. Man, I need to pull up. There you go. Oh, them pops sound crazy. Supercharged, motherfucker. Stop playing. Stop playing. Got that supercharged. You feel me? Got that. I got that, more. Alright. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah. Talk to her. Talk to her. Yeah. Stop playing with me. Get out of the way, gang. Bro, I'm whipping the big Django, right? I'm just like, damn. LED steering wheel, all that, just big body. I can imagine a track car. Like, that jump probably be crazy. He needs stars in the roof. That boy got the ambient lighting, but that boy need the stars in the roof. He get the stars, it's over with. I don't think he gonna get the stars. He getting the X5M comp. I think that's what it's called. It's the big body beamer. Get out the way. Whoa, come on now. He ain't gonna, alright. Why they be hating, dog? You call him a cat, ain't it? That's why you hating. That's why they hating, bruh. Cause I'm in the hair keezy. Yo, why these window wipers keep going on, bruh? Tighten up. Now we're gonna get in the, I'm gonna start taking cuts like I'm in the Beamer with it. Like I'm in the 40. Yeah. Dog better tighten up. He over there looking crazy. Let me get past you, gang. So, caught up with the 40, you feel me? Oh, the pops out crazy. Whoa, yo! One thing about it, two things for sure. A BMW gonna pop. That bit Mo Dev gonna piss out. Feel me? Big SRT. Y'all need a night drive in this, I ain't gonna lie. With the ambient light with the ambient light going, the LED steering wheel and all that, man, we will be in there been making movies. No cap. Yeah, I ain't playing. Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm on your ass now. Yeah. Come on, stop playing with him. Stop playing with him. Talk to her. Yeah. Oh, I gotta throw my phone down. Hold on. Yeah, we with it now. Come on. We with it now, gang. Yeah. 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 Oh my God. Need it. I need it. Need it. Alright, bro. I see why Robert be doing what he be doing in his car, bro. Like, just the sound just be making you like, nah, they got a little bit more in it. Whole time you banging the red line. Yo, what's up with this car, bro? Watch out. And dog really just cruising right now. Tripping. But we ain't it, bitch. Hold on. Yeah, damn. I wouldn't make my car sound crazy. Them ups just be crazy, bro. I don't even know where I'm going. Say service to the left, but to the left? Yeah, to the left. Hit that boy with the. Yes, sir. Feel me? Service department. Oh, let me get over here.
Is this a Rover beach? Drop off out.
Express lane.
Hey.
Hey, Shingo. He with it, motherfucker.
Lot of hell, whole lot of kill. Gang. Whole lot of chill. Hey.
This why I drop out the school bus?
Drop off out.
This why I drop out the school bus?
This shit is crazy where I'm from. This This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. This shit get dangerous where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. You ain't gon' make it where I'm from. Hey, been a savage since legit. Never gave a fuck about a nigga or a bitch. Finna get duffled up, poking houses in the whip. I done find a new way, CVV was a zip. Good dope to the face, so what you got, I need a zip. I be all on 24th, but I stay on 25th. And my dog across the way, yeah, he stay on 26. Got a dog down the fade, Glock hit G, shit.